How to disable Duet option for all videos on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable Duet option for all videos on TikTok. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in this section, just tap on the three dash icon, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. Now here, just tap on settings and privacy. And after that, simply tap on privacy. And now here, in this section, simply scroll down and there you can see the option labeled as reuse of content. So simply tap on it. And now here in this section, you'll see two options. That is allow reuse of content from and another is manage to it and stitch postage. So here simply tap on the option labeled allow reuse of content from, and here normally you see choices like everyone, friends, and only me. So if you see only me, simply select that to completely disable the do it feature for all your videos. But if you don't found any option like only me in here, then what you can do is simply go back to your profile section and simply select the content that you want to disable do it to. And now here, once you're inside the content, just tap on the privacy settings shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, simply scroll down and there you can see the option labeled as allow reuse of content. So simply disable that option. And once you do that, the do it option will be disabled as well. And that's it. Unfortunately, if you don't find only me option in the settings, then this is the only way that you can disable the do it option. So here to do that, you have to go one by one for each video manually. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.